What is happening with this advent calendar? Holy Spirit, activate. Oh my god, we have samples? Hey gorgeous, Real Techniques has a new advent calendar. I bought it for this video. The price of this one is 25 euros and we have 12 products. This one contains skincare and makeup accessories. I don't know what the skincare are. So let's go to day number 1. It looks like the sponge, the miracle sponge. Oh my god, it's not. What is this? I am on their Instagram account and I found that this is a mask applicator. Okay, and you can use it like this all over your face. I think it is a little bit very big for some areas, but maybe it is practical. And day number 2 is right in the corner. This one is looking again like a sponge, but you never know. Oh, I found it! This one is very soft. It reminds me of the miracle sponges. Again, we don't have a name on the door at least. Door number 3 looks like a brush, a very small brush. Oops. It is the brush 301 mini base shadow brush. It is very small. I don't understand. How can you use this? How? Maybe we have something like a base on the rest of the advent calendar. I'm hoping so you can attach to it. I don't think it would be so much more expensive to have a longer handle for the brush. The bristles are very nice, but it looks cheapish. Door number 4, I have no clue. Oh, it's a brush again. This one is the brush 407 mini multitask brush. I think this one is a little bit scratched. This one has a thicker handle, so it is easier to hold in your hand and do your makeup. This one can work, but again, we could have a longer handle. Why not? I thought this was door number 2. It is number 5. I'm guessing it is a sponge. This one is torn. What is happening with this advent calendar? I don't think I did that with my nails because I'm also touching it now and nothing happens. Oh, it is also torn on the top. Okay, this is how it was in the door and I just took it like that. The scratch is exactly on the opposite side. Oops. So I have seen online this one is the cleansing sponge and with this one you can remove makeup from your face. I'm curious to try it because it looks perfect for the eyes. Day number 6 looks like a case for a sponge. Guess what? This is also scratched. The quality of the products is not the greatest for the advent calendar and specifically this one is scratched all over the place. So you can open it like this, then you place your sponge. The letters here are holes so the sponge can dry. Moving on to day number 7. What is this? Oh my god, we have samples? This is getting worse and worse. We have 2 samples of the brush cleansing gel for makeup and brush care. We could have a mini size of the product. Why do we have 2 samples? Maybe you can use each sample once. It depends how many brushes you have, how dirty they are. I'm trying to stay positive here. And let's go to day number 8 now. It looks like a mini brush. Yeah. It is. This one is the mini setting brush 402. This one is a little bit scratched as well. It's the theme of the advent calendar. This one can work to set the powder on your eyes. It has the perfect shape. You can also use it to highlight your face. Another scratched product. And day number 9. It is super small. Is this tweezers? Oh my god, it's a brush. Makeup brushes for children. How small is this? It is like my finger. This is a brush 207. It is the mini detailer brush. Okay, again the top part is very nice, very soft bristles. Just a second, this is an essence brush so you can see what's happening. Holy Spirit, activate. Okay, day number 10 is a brush, a very mini brush. This is the brush 300. It is the mini deluxe crease brush. This is a little bit bigger for my crease, but you can use it for cream contouring. You can also apply highlighter. The shape of the brush is so beautiful. I don't think I will be able to use it. I cannot even hold it. I was very excited for this advent calendar because I wanted to try more brushes by the brand. I wasn't expecting them to be so small. Door number 11 is very big. I know they don't have makeup products. Maybe this is a sheet mask. Oh my god, no! No! We have a transparent makeup bag for the children's makeup brushes that we got. Only this big one is easy to use. All the other are like, hello tiny brushes. Let's not forget the samples and the scratched case. Okay, you can fit a lot of products. Let's continue with day number 12. It looks like a small spatula. It is... Oh, we have tweezers. I didn't know they have tweezers. This one doesn't even have the name of the brand on it. It is a full size at least. Half of the products are scratched or very small, so I'm gonna give this advent calendar 1 star. The quality of the products is terrible. It is not worth the money. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this advent calendar. I'm very disappointed. And you can watch next the Maybelline advent calendar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!